Yeah, so hello guys. Yeah, good morning. Hope everybody is doing great. So if you recall our past videos, Euro USD was among the pairs I mentioned to look onto during this week at the market open, and as you can see, the market closed around here when it was approaching to our zone. And look, we have a demand zone here, a breakout structure here, as you can all see. We have an impulsive move. So the market came all the way down here, and I think it reacted very well onto our zone. So if we drop onto the lower time frame to look for our flip plus sweep zone, so we can see that we have a big move here, and you can see that the market has started generating liquidity above our zone here. Now what are you waiting for? We are waiting for the market to give us, okay, we can see that we have this big move gave us a market shift, because as you can see, this was the last time demand stepped into the market onto our lower time frame. And now what are you waiting for? We are waiting for some form of inducement or liquidity to be formed here. Then we shall be waiting for a liquidity sweep. Then we can along the market. And then another pair was BTC. Actually, I missed my entry on BTC, but as you can see, as we say, we had a demand zone here, because we can see that we have a breakout structure here. We have a breakout structure here, and this was our extreme zone. Remember, this is the higher time frame, and look what we have, liquidity here. So what we are waiting for? We are waiting for this liquidity to be taken out, which was taken out. This was around, it was around, let me check. When you go into our lower time frame, it was taken out around 7 a.m. So now I want to look for my entry, since I missed this sniper entry after the liquidity sweep. Now I'm gonna drop onto the lower time frame to look for any sign of opportunity. Yeah, because so far It hasn't given me any sign of opportunity, but as you can see in the 1 hour time frame, the market came. Actually, remember this pair of BTC has had a long dip, so to get a correct perspective or a good move, we should have to wait for the market to take out this lower high here, so that it confirms to us that the pullback or the retracement is gone and we finally shifted bullish. But for now, someone taking a trade on BTC, it will be total gambling. So let's wait for a clear opportunity. But for now, let's be watching these pairs of Euro USD as you see how it's playing. Then there is also this NZD USD. So as you can all see, the structure is bullish because it's already forming higher highs, lower lows, higher highs, lower lows. So you have to wait for this pullback. So as we can see, this is the last time demand stepped into the market before creating this huge move. So we had some sort of smart money traps here, and I'm sure a lot of smart money traders were taken out around this zone. So let's wait for the market to come back onto our point of interest so that we can take this big move. It's around 467 pips. Yeah, so let's wait for the market patiently to come back onto this. Yeah, for those with big accounts, you can set your, but I think this will be a big stop loss to play with, because if you are to take this trade, you have to put your stop loss a few pips up below this resistance line here. So it will be a big stop loss. So let's wait patiently for a clear opportunity. But for now, this is a good pair. It's a good pair to watch because so far it has liquidity, and look what it's doing. So it should drop. Yeah, I think it's a good pair. And another one, we have Euro versus South African Rand. Yeah, those are the pairs we should watch this week. They might give us some good money.